What's up, guys? This video is showing how to assemble computer parts cheap. What you need is mouse, keyboard, speaker, monitor, most important, motherboard, hard drive, DVD-ROM disk, and power supply. That's about it. That's all you need to build your own computer, Matter of fact, assemble parts. And you need this if your password is locked, use this or use USB to unlock it, like hacked it. And here's how you assemble it. You connect this hard drive wire right here, second one, and make sure it's connected with the hard drive, with this also. As you can see right here, this wire right here, it connects to the disk. Is this right here, and this is the power supply wires. And let's install this first right here. That's it. That's the dish, and now it's power supply. Alright. There you go, power supply is in. And on this side also. It's in. Now what you need is plug in the keyboard, plug in the power supply cord, see, plug in here, monitor, screw it just a little bit, might take it off again later. Speakers right here, green. Now what's that? Mouse. Right up in here. There you go. Done. Simple and easy, right? That was really quick. Now, I'm going to show you how to turn it on. In this case, I have my car key. There's no switch to press it on, press it off. Here's the switch is right here. You can use a Pepsi cap or, the can. Or you can use anything. You can use you can use this, anything, doesn't matter. You can even use coin to turn it on. Here's where to turn it on with the coin. Just put it right here. Hold on, I forgot to plug in the power. Okay, plug in the power. Power plug in. Here you go. Damn, it started. You know when it's running, when the fan is spinning, Yes, you know when it works. Bam, look at the monitor. Simple and easy. Fast and easy, I used to have a case. I don't want no case. I like it like this, It looks awesome. As you can see, that's my computer. I like it this way, I just get 2 nails, one here, to hang the motherboard. And now I'm about to log in my computer. I have this computer for a while, Just if you want to do like my style like this, don't ever let the water touch the motherboard, or else your computer is done for you. You know what I'm saying? And here you go. It's slow. It's compared to like 2 or 3 years like using it. I'll turn in my password. I'm gonna show you, prove it to you it's working. It took a while to log in. This computer's motherboard is pretty old. I got it about 2 or 3 years ago. Still running it like it's still running like champ. As you can see, my adapters, I took everything out and leave the, you know, like a chip that go in here. It's like one thing. See, it's working. Bam, that's my computer. Hey, the background picture is I was in DC. Now let's go Google Chrome. Matter of fact, let's turn on the music. Make sure it's functioning right. Yeah, there you go. Simple and easy how to assemble the computer parts. Very easy. You see how fast I did it? You know, once you know this stuff, it's quick. Yeah, that's the Bono music. Yeah, YouTube. Let's go. Let's go YouTube. Click too much. Yeah, computer slow. I have too much file in here. As you can see, it's loading. And I have a lot of photos. All that stuff. I have Cool Edit Pro too. You can see. This program is like you can download. I mean, you can record the music. You know, you can use auto tune if you can't sing. Oh boy. I'm turning on the music. Yeah, I got Cool Edit Pro. I got FL Studio. I just uninstall it. Probably if I want to mess with it again, I'ma download it again. I mean, if you don't know the crack version, you have to pay a certain amount of price on these kind of software, you know. For me, I don't pay crack. I just take it in for free, you know. Just crack it. Someone cracked it. Just gotta find the right one. There you have it. And that's about it, man. That is how to assemble a computer part. Very easy, very fast. I mean, it looks sick to me. I like the way my computer sit. Just hang to the wall, you know. Man. See y'all next time.